Welcome. If you're tired of seeing those trending lenses pop-up notifications every time you open Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, updated way to turn off these notifications so you can enjoy a cleaner, less cluttered Snapchat experience. First, start by grabbing your phone and heading to the main Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps option and tap on it. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for Snapchat and tap on it to open the app-specific options. From here, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the notification preferences for Snapchat. Inside Notifications, you'll want to look for a section called Notification Categories. Tap this, and you'll see several different categories of notifications that Snapchat can send you. Under the Public Content category, there's a specific setting for trending lenses. To stop those pop-ups, simply toggle that option off. While you're at it, it's helpful to toggle off the Show as Pop-up option too. This will make sure no pop-up notifications from trending lenses appear on your screen, keeping things distraction-free. And that's it! You've successfully disabled trending lenses pop-up notifications on Snapchat. With these settings turned off, you'll no longer be interrupted by those notifications when you're just trying to snap or chat with friends. If you ever decide you want those notifications back, just follow these same steps and toggle everything on again. But for now, enjoy a more peaceful Snapchat experience without the constant lens reminders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps.